I had hip pain and knee pain for the last 10 years. I was only 46 years old and I couldn't do the things that I love to do.
Before we even obtained x-rays, I knew that he had a very arthritic knee and 2 very arthritic hips.
Dr. Luchetti spent a lot of time, understanding what was going on.
We treated him conservatively with injection, anti-inflammatories, but he failed an extensive course of rehab, so eventually we had to proceed with joint replacement.
He was very confident and optimistic that if I had the surgeries done, that I could return to the same active lifestyle that I enjoyed before. It's really a coordinated effort between Dr. Luchetti and my therapist, and they did a great job in getting me back recovered. And in fact, 20 to 30 times that winter I skied.
His attitude was incredible. He's an incredibly hard worker, and that's usually 90% of it.
I would recommend Dr. Luchetti, and I have recommended Dr. Luchetti. He really cares about returning you to the lifestyle that you want to live.